Hello students, good morning and welcome to the class 11, and today we will start with the topic set. The set topic is very simple and look here, some terms we will use there. First term that we will use here, objects. Objects, what is the objects that you have to check? Everything's in universe, whether living or non-living, is called an object. Means living and non-living, all the thing, trees and name of countries, human beings, animals, alphabets, everything that is living or non-living will be called the objects. So here in the set, the main work with the object will be. So object is here very important will be. Next, what is the set? We are doing the set. So first we should know the set. What is the set is? A well defined. Here main the word is well defined. Well defined means the definitions whatever I will say that should be defined, well defined. So a well defined collection of objects. What we will do here? Collection of objects we will do. Collection of objects is called a set. So if I say that write the name of stationery items, okay, so you will write the fixed names, okay, here. So anyone can say what is the meaning of the collection of objects, and that will be well defined. Means here we can say whether a given objects, means whatever we will collect the object, that objects belongs to the collection. Means from that collection any objects is belongs to the collection or not, that we can say, that is the confirm we can say. Okay, so if I say what is the subjects, name of subjects in your class, so you can say physics, chemistry, maths, bio, that you can write. So if I say that the chemistry is the belongs to the collection or not, you will say yes, this is the belongs to the set. So look here. Here some more we will use here, members, or we can say elements. Generally we will say elements, we will not say member, but member also you can say sometime, but generally we will say elements. So what is the elements will be? The objects in a set are called its a member. Whatever objects in set we will use, that will be called a members or elements. Means the objects we will say here elements, we will not say object, we will say here elements of the set. Next, what is the set? In set main things what the set is, a well defined collection of objects is called a set. So here in the set some more important points you have to keep in mind, that a set can be represented by capital letter A, B, C, D to X, Y, Z. Any letter you can use, any letter, but that should be in a capital letter, okay. And suppose this B is the belongs to A, we will use this sign, this is belongs to A, this is a elements of the set A, okay. So what we can write this, B is belongs to A, B is belongs to A, or we can say B is an element of A. So if any object is an element of A, how we can write? This format, short format this is. And if any object is not the element of the set, then how we write? This type, not, this sign is for not belongs to. So we write B does not belongs to the set A. So hope you understand this. Some more points we will discuss. Look here, now we will discuss what are the collections are well defined collections, and second is collections are not well defined, that we will discuss here. So look here, by what we can make the set, and by the other we cannot find the set, or we cannot write in the form of set, that we will discuss here. So look here, first that the collection of natural number less than 6. So if I will say to all the students that write the natural number less than 6, so all can write the same answer, 1 2 3 4 5, all will write same. Means why the students are writing the same answer? Because the here the collection is well defined. The collection is well defined, so everyone give the same answer. Look here. Second is collection of vowels in English alphabet. So collection of vowels in English alphabet, all will write this 5 A, E, I, O, U. All will write the same answer. So why they are writing same? Because the definition is well defined. So here this is the correct. Now all states of India, we have fixed number of states. So everyone will give the same answer. All rivers of Rajasthan, so here also all will give the same answers. Look here. Prime factors of 100. Prime factors means everyone write the same prime factors. So this is also a well defined. We can represent in a form of set. These collections are not well defined. Look here. If I give you all good football player in India, you have to write the all good football player. So everyone will write different they will write. Okay, according to their they will write. Now all famous person in India, write the famous person of India. So many one can vary these answers. Okay, all lovely flowers. So lovely flowers, someone will like the flower, someone will not like the flower. So here the set will be vary, the collection of objects will be vary to person. So this is not a set or not a well defined collections. 5 most talented students in school. So in our school, if I say to write the 5 most talented students, so they will write different answers. They will write the different answers, not a fixed answer, not a fixed collections. So here also we can say this is not a well defined collection will be. Collection of good athletes of India. So good athletes of India means this also will be vary to person. So this is also not a well defined collection. The collection of 5 most rich person of India. If I say this means this also will be vary to person means it is not a well defined collection. So I think you will understand that what is the well defined and second is not a well defined. Now we will do the how to represent the set.